welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Nora. Welcome back here again. So today I'll be taking you on a very simple whitening recipe, okay, for the Christmas. Okay, if you're not a fan of too many items in your cream, you want an active whitening lotion without too many stuffs in it, I'll be giving you just 3 recipes you can add to your favorite lotion to whiten up your skin perfectly well. Okay, so before we dive into today's video, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified each time I drop a video. Okay, so let's dive into today's video. Okay, today we'll be talking about simple items, just 3 recipes for an active whitening lotion with no blemishes, no discoloration, no patches. Okay, so you all know I've talked about this oil before. Okay, so you can see I still have very little. I always make use of this even for my production, even for products I sell, because this is organic and it's safe and it's very active. You add this to your whitening face cream, it's going to really come out perfectly. I've talked about this Sepia White Perfector Serum. This is a total perfection. It's a skin beauty serum, Sepia White. I've talked about this before. So if you want an active perfect lotion, okay, this is what you should be considering adding to your product. So I'm going to be telling you something else you can add to this one to have an active whitening lotion. Okay, let's say you want to make this lotion I'll be talking about today is something that can give you 3 shades lighter skin. 3 shades with no joke, 3 shades with no patches, no discoloration, no knuckles. Okay, so what you need this. This is an organic whitening total perfection serum. Okay, and it's an organic whitening oil. So it's written, this is a Sepia White. It's a skin whitening treatment made from a mixture of natural amino acid. Okay, the ingredients contained in this is rosemary extract, purified seawater, vitamin E, vitamin A, hazelnut oil, juniper oil, jasmine oil, alpha arbutin, glutathione, and papaya extract. Okay, it's written that you can use this both on your face and body. Okay, so now you want to make an active 3 shade whitening lotion, okay, this December period that will also moisturize your skin, beautify your skin. So all you need, okay, you get your favorite lotion. I'm not talking about hydroquinone lotion. You get your favorite lotion. Okay, you get your favorite lotion, you turn out 250 ml of your favorite lotion, and you add half of this Sepia White serum into your 250 ml lotion. Then apart from this, then okay, I don't have the bottle, I don't have it at home, but everybody knows whitener oil. Okay, I'm going to insert a picture in case you're not familiar with whitener oil, but it's a very popular oil. So you'll be adding half of your whitener oil bottle, half of it, into your 250 ml lotion. So sorry about the cords, I just had to pick up something. So okay, so for your 250 ml lotion, you'll be adding half of your Sepia White oil and half of your whitener oil. I'm going to put the picture, okay, in case you're not familiar with that, but it's a very popular oil. So half of the whitener oil and half of your Sepia White oil, and you add 2 Miracle Dam tube, 2 Miracle Dam tube. Okay, I'll put a picture of Miracle Dam in case you're not familiar, but Miracle Dam is a popular tube cream. 2 of your Miracle Dam tube, half of your Sepia White, and half of your whitener oil. Okay, now if you have dry skin, now this is for dry skin. If you don't have dry skin, you don't need to add this vitamin E oil. But if you have dry skin, severe dry skin, you're going to be adding about 3 tablespoons of your vitamin E oil. Okay, you all know I love this vitamin oil. I always add that to all my formulations. So if you have dry skin, and also because of the Harmattan weather, which will be serious by January, if you have dry skin, you'll be adding 2 tablespoons of your vitamin E oil. I prefer this. Okay, you can use any vitamin E oil brand of your choice. 2 to 3 tablespoons of your DISA or any vitamin E oil of your choice. Okay, and for also the dry skin, okay, I always consider my dry skin fellow people because I also have dry skin. So for dry skin, for more moisturizing effect from the lotion, you'll be adding 3 to 2 tablespoons of your vitamin E oil and 2 to 3 tablespoons of your glycerin. Okay, but if you have oily skin, you don't need to add these 2 items I just listed now, because this lotion is strictly 3 recipes, just 3 recipes. These are the important recipes to whiten, to get 3 shades. If your aim is to get just 3 shades, it's the Sepia White Perfector Serum, half bottle, and half bottle of your whitener oil, and 2 Miracle Dam tube cream. All right, these are the 3 recipes. But if you have dry skin, you know those very dry skin, your skin is really dry, you need to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of your vitamin E oil and 2 to 3 tablespoons of your glycerin to help moisturize your skin, okay? Because when your skin is dry, it will not glow. So that's for my dry skin ladies. If your skin is dry, please make sure you add 2 or 3 tablespoons of your vitamin E oil and 2 or 3 tablespoons of your glycerin. All right, but if your skin is the normal skin, oily skin, any other skin aside dry skin, you can skip these 2. All right, you just need 2 miracle dam, half sepia white oil and half white now oil. Okay, this is a perfect whitening lotion that will give you 3 shades lighter skin with no spots. Okay, this combination will not give you dark knuckles, it will not give you it clears hyperpigmentation, it will give you a clear, flawless, milky skin tone. All right, so it's not something you will not and please, when making choice of your base lotion, do not use any lotion with hydroquinone. Okay, there are loads of nice lotions you can use any lotion, any favorite lotion of your choice. Okay, a mild lotion, okay, a mild lotion, because this is very active in whitening the skin, in beautifying the skin. So use any nice lightening mild lightening lotion. Okay, and half of in your 250 ml, I'm not talking about 5, but you get to 2 if you want it really active. Your 250 ml of your favorite lightening lotion, get 250 ml in your bowl. You add half of your sepia white oil, I add half of your white now oil, and you add 2 miracle dam. That is the recipe. But if you have dry skin, you need 2 to 3 tablespoons of your vitamin E oil and 2 to 3 tablespoons of your glycerin to help you to moisturize your skin beautifully. Okay, if you don't have normal glycerin, if you have rosewater, the Boots rosewater glycerin at home, you can also use that. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of your Boots rosewater and glycerin. Okay, if you have any rosewater and glycerin at home, you can use that. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons and add your 2 to 3 tablespoons of your vitamin E oil. Okay, if you have normal plain glycerin, you can also use that. Okay, but if your skin is oily, you don't need to add the vitamin E oil and the glycerin. This is very moisturizing as well. So this, for oily skin, this one, the white now and the miracle dam, you're good to go. All right, this recipe will beautify your skin real good, moisturize it, lighten it, and make you glow. All right, and this recipe is a deep moisturizing recipe, but if you have dry skin, you have to add extra measures to help your skin very hydrated. Okay, the Hamatan will be serious by January, and I want all my divas here to have a well moisturized, beautiful, supple and lighter skin. That's if you want your skin lighter, then you try this mix. But if your skin, you don't want to achieve 2 to 3 shade lighter skin, okay, so it's not for you. These are for my queens that want to add more shade to their skin tone. All right, so I don't want this video long. I just want to drop this simple recipe in case if you're thinking of trying something new on your skin, you can try this recipe. It's really active, I'm guaranteeing you that. So that'll be the end of today's video. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified each time I drop a video. Bye, and I'll see you in my next one.